When fire strikes, the aftermath can be overwhelming. At Fisher's Restoration Experts, we understand the emotional and physical toll fire damage takes on you and your home. We're here to guide you through the entire restoration process, bringing your home and your peace of mind back to normal. Our expert team, located right here in Fishers, Indiana, is ready to respond quickly and efficiently. Once on site, we'll assess the damage and create a comprehensive plan to restore your home and belongings. We start by carefully packing out your affected contents, everything from furniture to personal items. Each item is meticulously inventoried, ensuring nothing is overlooked. We understand how important your belongings are, and we treat them with the care they deserve. Once your contents are safely removed, we begin the structure cleaning process. Smoke and soot can damage surfaces and leave harmful residues. We use advanced cleaning techniques to safely remove smoke and fire damage from walls, ceilings, and floors, ensuring your home is thoroughly cleaned and safe. Meanwhile, your packed-out items are transported to our specialized facility for cleaning. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we restore everything from electronics to sentimental items damaged by smoke or soot. Our goal is to salvage and restore as much as possible. After your home has been restored and cleaned, we carefully return your belongings. We make sure each item is returned to its proper place, helping you feel at home again. At Fisher's Restoration Experts, we also know how stressful dealing with insurance can be. That's why we work directly with your insurance company to ensure the claims process is seamless and smooth. From start to finish, we're here to make sure everything is handled with care, giving you one less thing to worry about. From contents pack-out to structure cleaning and restoration, we're with you every step of the way. Fisher's Restoration Experts is committed to restoring not just your home, but your peace of mind. If you've experienced fire damage, trust Fisher's Restoration Experts. Contact us today to start the restoration process and let us bring your home back to life.